Plus this. Now I will take this here. Hypoeutectide, eutectide, hypoeutectide. Maybe sometimes technically we can call it as a steel. We can make like this classifications also. Sometimes we'll make like this also, based on the iron carbon diagram. Iron carbon diagram. Generally in industry also, the people means engineers and the technicians are classifying the steel as like this: hypoeutectide, eutectide, and hypereutectide steels. Now I will interlink these type to these types. See, suppose any one of the technician is talking like, hey, that is hypoeutectic steel. Hypoeutectic steel means low carbon steel. In a low carbon steel, what is the content of the low carbon steel? It varies from 0.01 to 0.25. In between, we can vary the lakhs together, we can vary the carbon content. See, 0.01 to 2.5. So 0.02 is there, 0.03 is there, 0.04 is there, like this. All these from 0.01 to 0.25, you can take lakhs together classifications. So lakhs together you can classify. Lakhs together you can vary the carbon content, or hundreds together, or you can take 1,000 together. You can vary all these steels. What we can say, it is eutectic steel, hypoeutectic steel. If carbon content is less than 0.25 or up to 0.25, we can call it as a technically hypoeutectide steel. Hypoeutectide. Hypoeutectide means the carbon content is 0.01 to 0.25. In this range, from 0.01 to 0.5, in between this range, many of the steels are there. All these steels will come under hypoeutectide. Hypo, because carbon content is less than 0.25. Or also all the low carbon steels, maybe lakhs, maybe 1,000, maybe 100. All are belongs to a low carbon steel. All steels we can say it is a hypoeutectide steel. You can take any kinds of the steel, their carbon content is less than 0.25. You can say it is a low carbon steel. Someone is telling you that it is low carbon steel, then that will comes under which category? That will comes under hypoeutectide category. All the low carbon steels will comes under hypoeutectide category. Now, eutectide, this is hypoeutectide. Exact 0.8 carbon. Exact 0.8 carbon is a eutectide. Sometimes we can extend this. Sometimes the people are saying up to 3.5 also we can say it is a hypoeutectide sometimes. Up to 0.3 also we can consider as a hypoeutectide. Exact 0.8 carbon content, if you could observe or find out in that particular steel, you can say it is which category? Eutectide steel it is. Exactly, it is eutectide steel. Suppose in the examinations or while you are sitting in front of the Viva or technical HR or anyone else, if you are sitting in front of him, if suppose he asks you, tell me about the eutectide. What do you mean by eutectide steel? What do you mean by eutectide steel? So particularly these kinds of steels having a 0.8% of carbon, sir. Okay. 0.8, exact 0.8 of carbon steel, we can say it is eutectide. Or give an example for eutectide steel. High carbon steel is the best example. High carbon steel. So saying high carbon steel, directly can say the carbon content, because exact carbon content 0.8 is, you can say it is 0.8, sometimes 0.81. Some books they will take it as a up to 0.81. Some authors are mentioning up to 0.81, we can say it is an eutectide. Some authors or some standard authors are saying 0.8 or 0.8 is an eutectide. Some authors they are writing about 0.81. Up to 81 we can vary it is, you can consider it as an eutectide. Some standard authors, as per my knowledge, 0.8 is an exactly a eutectide. Now coming to the hyper. Hyper means above 0.81 up to 2%. Hyper. It is hyper stage. Carbon content is high. That is what we can say it is a hyper eutectide. 0.82 to up to 2%. This is what hyper eutectide steel. Eutectide 0.8, hypoeutectide 0.012 up to we can consider 0.35. Up to 0.35 you can say it is hypoeutectide. Exact 0.8 is an eutectide. More than 0.8 up to 2% is hypereutectide steel. Hope you understand about the steel. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It's clear about the steel.
Sir.
Yes or no? Say loudly, everyone. Are you there?
Sir.
Yes. Okay. This is just I am giving you a basic information about the steel. Still, we will discuss about the other classifications based on the commercial. What we can in this we have many kinds of steel based on their structure and take some different heat treatment techniques. Many steels are there, and also we will discuss about their applications as well as properties of the steel. Okay. And also microstructure of the steel also we can discuss in the coming classes about the steel. Now just I am giving you an overview about the steel. How many types of steels are there, how we can call them based on the carbon content and based on the technical criteria. And next class we will discuss about the solidification. Thereafter we will come back to the steel and alloys and their applications, microstructure and etc.
Sir, we need material.
Yes. Huh? Material. Okay, definitely I will post it into the WhatsApp group. After completion of this module A, so whole module A, chapter 1, chapter 2 in module 2, chapter 1, chapter 2, everything is there. I will post it. I will be posted in WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Definitely I will post. No problem. Okay, now I will leave the meeting. Sir is waiting for your next class.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.